video, I'm going to be talking about how to make $100 on TeePublic. Basically, if you don't know what TeePublic is, it's a print-on-demand store where you can upload designs that you make and then you can put them on like t-shirts and whatever, and you get a percentage of the sale and they handle everything for you, so you don't have to like ship anything for you, so it's like pretty easy money. So I'm going to be talking about how I made $100. Okay, so how I made the designs to upload on the shirts. So I use Adobe Illustrator and I just like color stuff in. I like draw stuff on Adobe Illustrator and then I just upload them to TeePublic and I put them on shirts. So I'm going to be going through all of the things I made and how many sales I got. So typically on TeePublic, you get around $2 per sale you make. So you need like 50 sales to make $100. Most of the things that are sold on TeePublic are your design on a t-shirt, which usually makes you about $2. But sometimes someone can buy like a sticker and you'll make less, or they could buy like a poster or a tapestry or something. So you might not get $2 per sale, but typically you get $2 per sale, so you need like 50 sales to get $100. Most of these things that I have sales on, I made when I was like 17 and I'm still getting money from them, and I know that they're like kind of designs, but I'm making better stuff now, but they've been uploaded to the website for the longest, so they made the most money. Okay, so the first thing was waffle fries. I sold 16 items with the waffle fries on them. My second one were breadsticks. I sold 10 of these. My third highest sale was chicken nuggets. This actually looks so bad. I was looking at it when I was going through my account and it looks so bad, but I sold it 6 times. Then I have a scrunchies design, which sold 3 times. California, this one I think is like one of my best. It's like so pretty. California, it sold twice. Macaroons, it sold twice. Fries, once. Is that a different type of fry? Yes, it's a different type of fry. I have a hearts one, which is like a bunch of hearts drawn all over each other. That sold once. I have a blue floral design. It sold once. I have some popcorn that sold once. Bath and Body Works shopping bag. It sold once. A goldfish. It sold once. Cow sold once, and a shell that sold once. So that is all the things that I made. That made me $100. I'm going to be uploading some videos on how I draw out my items. So if you want to watch those, I think I still have some uploaded on my channel, but I'm going to be uploading more. So if you want to go watch those, thank you. And subscribe. I also have videos on my Redbubble sales. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.